Hey, what's up? It's Sam from High-Vis LEDs, and this is the FT-CU-P500 undercarriage and compartment light. The FT-CU-P500 is a 500 lumen, small size, compact LED work light. And what's interesting is typically in lighting, you want to have the light that's collimated and controlled in a pretty precise area. But with this light, we leverage what's called scattered light to direct light in a big ball, almost a hemispherical shape of light coming off of this thing in all directions. The reason we do that is because this, when it's angled down on the road, or it's angled underneath of a car, or it's in an area where you need to light something very close to the back of the vehicle or under the vehicle, this scattered light reflects off of all the surfaces in a close proximity. This is a great option for things like on the trunk lid of a SUV or as an undercarriage light. One of the coolest things is when this thing is manufactured, it's actually built in a machine called a sonic welder, where the circuit board's set inside the housing, the lens is put on top, and then this ultrasonic welding process occurs where it's a super high vibration environment created by sound that causes this lens and this housing to fuse together and permanently bond, creating a waterproof seal. For more information about this fixture or to give one a try, reach out to a Firetech team member for a demo.